Okay, guys, here is your warm-up question. Let's take a look at it. It says, Miss Wilmoth bought 4 bags of candy. Each bag contained 8 candies. She put an equal amount of these candies into 9 gift bags. How many candies were left over? This is an important part of our question. This is going to be asking how many were like the remainders, because they want to know how many are left over. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to draw some pictures to help me kind of understand this. So she bought how many bags of candy? 4 bags of candy. So I'm going to draw 4 bags here. All right, look at my fun little bags. How much is in each bag? It says there are 8 candies in each bag. I'm going to put an 8 in each bag. Now we first have to figure out, well, how much candy that is. So if there is 4 groups of 8, so 8, 8, 8, and 8, how much is that? That's a multiplication problem. So 4 groups of 8 is the same as, right, 4 times 8. So if we know our multiplication facts, we know that 4 times 8 is 32. So we know there is a total of 32 pieces of candy. Is that what the question's asking us? No, how many pieces were left over? Well, what is she going to do with these 32 pieces of candy? Let's look back at the story. So she's going to take those 32 pieces of candy and she's going to put an equal number of these candies into 9 gift boxes. So she's going to take this 32 and she's going to break it apart into 9 different gift boxes. Right? So what is it called when we break something apart and we're going to separate these 32 pieces into 9 equal groups? That's division, right? So I have 32 total pieces. I need 9 equal groups. I'm trying to figure out how much is going to be in each group. So that's a division problem. So let's do 32 divided by 9. Well, we need to list off our multiplication facts of 9s. So 1 would be 9, right? 2 groups would be 18. 3 groups would be 27. 4 groups would be 36. I'm going to stop here. Why can I stop here? Well, that would be 36 pieces. I only have 32 pieces, right? So it can't be 4 in each bag. So there's going to be 3 in each bag. If I put 3 in each bag, that would use 27 pieces. Is that what it's asking? How many are in each bag? No, look, how many candies are left over? So I have to finish this problem. So if I put 3 in each bag, that would use a total of 27 pieces. How many pieces are going to be left over after I put all 3 of those pieces in the bag? Let's take a look at this. So what is 12 minus 7? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 pieces left over. So the answer to the division problem, right? So like 32 divided by 9 equals 3, remainder 5. But the one that matches the story, how many candies were left over, is there right here. There were 5 pieces left over.